Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 26 triangles. In last video we had seen little basics of triangle which you were already known. You have studied it in 4th and 5th standard. How to name an angle and all. You must have read this page also, which is very important. Okay. So we are seeing properties, angles of a triangle. So what is the property of angles of a triangle? Angles means we are talking about interior angle. So you can see the interior angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, or you know angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, means all the three angles are there inside interior angle. So what is the property? The property says when you add this angle A plus angle B plus angle C, you must get 180 degree. This is the property. The property says the sum of interior, sum means to add, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is always supplementary, that is always 180 degree. So here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. If the addition doesn't come 180 degree, that means they are not the angles of the triangle. They are not the angles of the triangle. If they come 180 means they are angles of a triangle. So that is the first property, that when you add interior angles of a triangle, you should get 180 degree, or in short we say this is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, the sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is the first property. Second property is exterior angle of a triangle. So exterior angle of a triangle, if you'll see here, I have extended, this is a triangle ABC, I have extended BC till D. Okay. So here you can see this is the exterior angle. Angle X is here is exterior angle. So angle ACD is equal to angle ACD, this exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. You can see it is outside the triangle. So it is called exterior angle. So this exterior angle X is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. These two are opposite interior angle. This is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle X is equal to angle A plus angle B. These two are opposite interior angles of this exterior angle. Okay. You will say this is also opposite. No, this is not opposite. You know that these are adjacent angles. Angle ACB plus angle ACD will also give you 180 degree because they are adjacent angle. This we have studied before. So we are talking about exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Two opposite interior angle. Okay. So what we have to do is angle ACD, you can see angle ACD here in this case is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, if this is 110, if it is given 110, this is given and you are supposed to find out this, you can find out by transposing. Okay. So this we have studied, and last property which we will be seeing is extension. When we extend, here only it was. So this is the third property. You can see when we extend sides of a triangle, then what happens? Now see, this was a triangle A, this was triangle ABC. Then what we did, we extended all the lines, means this up, previously it was up to here. Then what I did, I extended this side from both the sides. So here also extension, here also extension, here and here. Then what happens? When I extend all the sides of a triangle, what I get is extra 3 exterior angles. 1, 2, 3. I get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. These are also exterior angles only, but if you want to apply the rule, then this angle is equal to this plus this. Okay, so you just remember only one thing, that when you extend sides of a triangle, you get these extra exterior angles. Okay, So now we'll see question number, and homework is please read properties 26, this page, types of triangles according to angles, types of triangles according to sides. Okay, so these pages you have to read, these will be explained. Okay, now exercise 26a we are going to start. Very easy exercise. You can see in each of the following find the marked unknown angles. Now you can see here two are known and one is unknown. Z is unknown. So now you know that which property I will apply here. See, when one triangle is given and inside three angles are there. In this case, three angles are which? 70, 72 and Z. That means I have to apply the first property, angle sum property. What is angle sum property? The sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So from the given figure, what is from the given figure? From the given figure, 70 degree plus 72 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Why I have written? Because I know the property. So the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So what I have to do? Now 70 plus 72, 142 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. You can see 70 plus 72, 142 plus Z as it is equal to 180 degree. Now you know that we have studied transposing. So keep Z here in LHS and transpose 142 to RHS. So 180 was already there, right as it is, plus 142 becomes minus 142 and Z is equal to 38 degree. Okay. So let's see the second one. Now here you can see in this case we have a quadrilateral which has been divided into two triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So we can apply same property separately in both the triangles. Okay. So you can see in triangle ABC, where is triangle ABC? A, B, C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So I have 50 degree, this 50 degree plus 80 degree plus B is equal to 180 degree. You know the reason now. So 50 plus 80 is 130 plus B is equal to 180 degree. So B is equal to 180 minus 130. So B is equal to 50 degree. Okay, you know this 130 when came here transposed here, it became minus 130. B is equal to 50 degree. So now you can see here in triangle ADC, now we have done for ABC, same way we have to do it for ADC also. So 40 plus 45 plus A, 40 plus 45 plus A equals to 180 degree. So 40 plus 45, 85 plus A equals to 180 degree. So A is equal to 180 minus 85 degree. So A is equal to 95 degree. Okay. So I hope you have understood, and question number 3 I give it as homework. I have solved it, but I give it as homework. And question number 2, if you will see here children, what is question number 2? Question, can a triangle together have the following angles? So to know that a triangle, are these angles of a triangle, to know what you will do, you will add them. Okay, you will add them as I have added 55 plus 55 plus 80 degrees. It came 190 degree, but I know that to be angles of a triangle, the sum should be 180 degree. So I know that 190 is not equal to 180 degree. So final answer is no, a triangle cannot have the given angles. Okay. So I hope question number 2 also you can solve. Just add them and check whether it comes 180. If it comes 180, then yes, they are angles of a triangle. If not, they are not angles of a triangle. That's it. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Please read the concepts clearly, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you so much and take care.